Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing great. So, as you can see, speak English with Ram, and I am telling you little habits. If you want to follow with me, then you have to speak. You will be able to speak English in your life. My friends, I am already told you about comprehensible input. What does it mean, comprehensible input? Please tell me in the comment sections with the definition and an examples. If you will do like that, so definitely I believe that is that you will be do already, and you will be able to speak in your life in English language. Whatever you want to do in your life, so definitely it makes easy through the speaking English. But my friends, I don't know the exact idea what I should do. What should I do, and how should I speak? How should I tell you about English? How should I tell you about the method? Like how should I speak in English better way? How should I explain you which way is better for the getting ideas to speak in English language? And there are so many things happening around you that just you see and then directly speak. That is the best way. Whatever happen around you, I believe that it is a very easy way to speak in English language. And I am already told you second yesterday I went to the Banaras for check out my passports, verified my passport. That's why me and my friends fill the form of the passport, because I am 26 above years old. That's why the reason I have no too much money, and I have no any skills. Just a little I speak in English language, and just a little create and editing, because I'm also an editor a little. I am making videos for kids right now. That's enough for the method and skills I have. So my friends, but no anyone have troubling face in their life, because I am also face a lot of problem, because I dive in one relationships dive, but right now I just died. So but my body is dead. So if I'll suggest you, my friends and every listeners, wonderful listeners, if you make if you sure make sure if you make a relationship with girlfriends or any relationship, before making relationship you just should think, you must think about the relationship. You just not attraction, you just not to make attraction. Just I think what I am saying to you are understand easily. That's the reason, my friends, if you stuck in the relationships, if you want to do like that, but your friends not do, so that's the problem between your relationship. So it is not easy, it is very tough. If you stuck bad relationship, so definitely your life is spoiled. I believe that I am 100% sure your life is spoiled 100%, my friends. you will not be able to do anything in your life, I promise. So you must think about your relationship. You must think to make relation, about making relations. So my friends, so right now I'm facing from a long time, like I am suffering of that problems, like 5 years, before 5 years, from 5 years, my friends, maybe above 5 years. It is not a small time, but that's the reason, my friends, I am not able to do anything. I just I have a little speak in English language. That's a skill one, and second skill is that I I just create animation, and I am also graduated, and I have a little knowledge about the computer, and I am also prepared the government job, but I didn't find the like any government job. So and I have I have been working in electrician works for 5 months. That's the and that's enough for my skills, about my skills. So my friends, yesterday and then my and second yesterday my task is completed by the like office in Banaras, and but my friends, that's my friends works does not, they will not be able to like complete the task, but there is some correction in the Aadhaar card and in the Aadhaar card and mark sheets, and my his father's name is like not correct on in Aadhaar cards, which is the same title of the Aadhaar card, but the Aadhaar card, but Aadhaar cards have no like some titles, which titles appear on the mark sheets. So that's the reason they are hold they hold about my friend's passports, but my passport's verification is confirmed. Maybe my passports will be coming within 1 week. So that is the way, and right now the air is very fast, keep on going, as you can see, because my hair is like flying, my friends. So I am sitting around the like pond, and because here it is I'm getting the like sunshine, and right now I had bath already. So that's why I am thinking is that I had to go to near about my village ponds to making videos. So that's why I coming here to improve communication skills and increase my thinking power and create the videos. And what I am speaking, what I was speak to front of you, but that's overall, my friends. I makes me nervous because no anybody's like tell me about the question, about the doubt, about the anything else. So that's enough for me. And my friends, right now I am telling you, whatever you want to do in your life, you must be follow with the consistency and patience. That's the, I believe that you will be able to do anything. So my friends, if you make sure you make a relationship, so without thinking you don't make relationship, I'll suggest to you everyone. So thank you so much for listening me, and now it is the afternoon, so maybe if I'm not wrong, my friends, but yes, this is the time of the afternoon. So I would like to say to all everyone, my wonderful listener and wonderful friends, good afternoon and take care. Bye bye. We will meet next time or in the next video. That the same way I am just talking here and there. I don't know No, I don't know about the deep knowledge about the speaking English. So my friends, that is enough for me. So thank you so much, because I was looking behind because I think someone coming to front of me. That's why I feel nervous. But no anyone come here, so that's why. Because I feel hesitate and I feel fear. I feel fear too much. That's why, because I am alone and to making this video. So that's the make the confidence. But if someone around me sitting here, but that's why I don't courage to speak. So that's the reason, my friends. I'm too much afraid when I start the speaking English and making videos as well. So thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Take care. Bye bye.